Hello, in this video we will discuss how we can insert charts in Excel. Here you can see a small table. It is a sales country-wise sales volume. We will insert chart for this data. First of all, select this complete table. Okay, then go to insert. In insert, these are the chart options. You can insert select different charts, but for this type of data which is given on this table, I'll use the recommended charts, the option number one. So this here the chart is inserted. You can adjust its dimensions. On the right hand side you can see the chart styles. Click on it and you can choose different styles. Here you can see the numbers are also shown on the top, like this or like this. You can choose any chart according to your requirement.